Advanced Architectural Products, creators of GreenGirt CMH Continuous Insulation and Smart CI Building Enclosure Systems, enhance your building's structural performance and sustainability with innovative systems designed for optimal durability and efficiency. Easy to specify and designed as a universal cladding attachment system, GreenGirt CMH Delta is an adjustable continuous insulation system that combines structural composite metal hybrid subframing and compatible accessories with expert engineering support. This video will show you step-by-step instructions for quickly and correctly installing the GreenGirt CMH Delta Adjustable Continuous Insulation System. The GreenGirt CMH Delta Adjustable System must be installed according to the shop drawings and specifications. First, identify the two types of base brackets, expansion and fixed. Expansion and fixed base brackets are utilized in conjunction on a wall to allow for thermal expansion of the substrate. Use expansion and fixed base brackets according to project details and sample layout. Clips or L-rails are utilized with the base brackets, and consist of either aluminum, galvanized steel, or composite metal hybrid, or CMH material. The L-rail material will determine the location of the expansion versus fixed base brackets on the exterior wall. It can be easiest to create a story pole, which serves as a jig to align base brackets. The story pole is simply a rail with markings designating the spacing between GreenGirt CMH Delta expansion and fixed base brackets. To begin, slide the base brackets onto the story pole. Refer to engineered drawings for placement of expansion and fixed base brackets. A 10-foot section of aluminum L-rail should have two fixed base brackets in the middle, with expansion base brackets above and below, based on spacing requirements and engineered drawings. Aluminum L-rails less than 4 feet long do not need any expansion base brackets. A 10-foot section of galvanized steel or CMH L-rail should have 3 fixed base brackets in the middle, and expansion base brackets above and below. Galvanized steel or CMH L-rails less than 6 feet long do not need any expansion base brackets. GreenGirt CMH Delta base brackets can only be installed in a vertical orientation and must be flat against the substrate and perpendicular to the plane of the substrate. Attach GreenGirt CMH Delta base brackets vertically with approved hex head fasteners only. Be sure to use all 3 pre-drilled holes in the steel insert. Base brackets must be kept in vertical alignment for placement of clips or L-rails. Use a clutch drill instead of impact power tools to install GreenGirt CMH Delta. After all the base brackets have been secured to the substrate with 3 fasteners each, the story pole can be removed and reloaded with new base brackets to install the next row. A new rail is then placed in the secured base brackets, self-shimmed, leveled, and side-stitched using 2 approved fasteners. All base brackets must have 2 side-stitched fasteners with 5/8-inch washers going through the fiber-reinforced polymer, or FRP material, and into metal. When side-stitching expansion base brackets, the fasteners must be centered in the slots to account for thermal expansion. Putting them at the top or the bottom of the slot defeats their purpose. Be sure that at least 1.5 inches of the rail is attached to the bracket. Repeat these steps to fasten every base bracket to the clip or rail. Never leave an L-rail non-mechanically attached to a bracket. Do not cross floor movement joints with L-rails. This will fail to account for expansion of the substrate and can cause issues down the road. The expansion allowance between floors and at all rail joints should be the larger of a 1/2 inch gap or what is called out in the drawings and specifications between L-rails. With base brackets and rails secured in place, insulation may now be added. Insert mineral wool insulation starting on the dual grip side, utilizing the dual grip retention technology to puncture the insulation, and tuck the insulation behind the GreenGirt CMH flange on the opposite side to secure the insulation panels in place. Repeat this process, filling spaces between the rails. The project is now ready for cladding. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it demonstrates the ease of installing the GreenGirt CMH Delta adjustable system. Should you have any questions or require further technical support, please reach out to us at 269-355-1818 or visit our website at greengirt.com.